Do you know how the tablets and capsules are packed in the pharma industry? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Pharma Talk with Imran. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the blister packing of the tablets. Here we are going to discuss what is the primary packing, what is secondary packing and what is tertiary packing, how the packing is done in the pharma industry. Let us start the video. After production of pharmaceutical tablets and capsules, they are sent to the quality control department. In the quality control laboratory, the QC people check the quality of the product like assay, dissolution, content uniformity. After getting the report from the QC, the QA releases the batch for the packing process. Then before that, the packing materials are selected like primary packing material, secondary packing material and tertiary packing material. So the primary packing material is the one which is in direct contact with the formulation. Secondary packing material is the one which is after to the primary packing material. And tertiary packing material is the final packing material which covers the secondary and primary packing materials. Before collecting the packing material, there are various points which are taken under consideration. For example, drug stability, then moisture sensitivity of the formulation, then light sensitivity of the formulation, oxygen sensitivity, shelf life of the formulation, then route of administration and transportation conditions and cost of packing, regulatory requirements, then patient convenience. So all these factors are taken into consideration while selecting the packing materials. Then after that, a indent is prepared for the PVC foil and aluminum foil, which is depend on the batch size of the tablets or capsules. After that, the production executive, who is the packing line in charge, will come and check all the things whether it is cleared or not, and after that, if there is any other product is there, he will not give the line clearance. First he is supposed to clean up the area. After that, he will give the approval, that is line clearance, to start the line. After the approval from the production department, the executive from the QA will come and he will or she will recheck the all the things, whether the area is clear or not, whether any other product presence is there. After that, they will give the line clearance and now the line will start. After primary packing, that is blister packing of the tablets or the capsules, they are sent to the secondary packing, that is the blisters are filled in the cottons. Then after secondary packing, these cottons are sent to the tertiary packing, that is they are filled in the shippers. And this is the final packing. Here the proper labeling are done, that is how many cottons are present in that shipper, and they are weighed properly and sealed, and after final checking and all documentation, they get dispatched to the godown for the further proceedings.